So yes, recording has been started. So okay, class. Today I'm going to uh, teach you practical session. Okay, how to develop a HTML. How to develop a simple web page with the help of HTML tags. So just firstly open a editor. Okay, firstly you have to open a editor. There you can write a HTML files. So I'm minimizing this one and just go to I have editor notepad. I think I have to check in on my laptop notepad plus plus is installed or not. So I'm searching notepad plus plus. It's slow. Notepad, only notepad I am not installed notepad plus plus. ठीक है, so notepad I am ठीक है. I open the notepad editor. Share notepad open editor is here. ठीक है, just after that just okay, just I increase the format so every visitor can see easily. It will be visible. So I increases the sizes so 24 and bold. ठीक है, okay. So firstly, when you write HTML file, so the first concept is you have to write open HTML is a container. ठीक है, so what is the container? All the tag, ठीक है, all the tag will be inside the HTML tag, and it is also a pair tag. Pair tag means कि pair text means कि yeah, if you write HTML, ठीक है, you can write in lower case and you can write a HTML. Both are correct. ठीक है, so I am writing a small HTML. Angular open and close angular bracket. ठीक है, so HTML is also a pair tag, so it is a open. We have to close. ठीक है, so HTML is open and after that we have to close. How to close? Angular bracket open. ठीक है, and just forward slash. ठीक है, forward slash, not a backslash. It is wrong. ठीक है, you write. So also you use write forward slash and HTML. First concept. So if you ठीक है, if you start, ठीक है, if you write any files and if you want to create any web page, so firstly the basic rule is firstly you have to write HTML, and it is the container that keep all the tag. So HTML is here, so I am going here and just press enter. ठीक है, so all the tag, ठीक है, all the tag. So you can see you untitled notepad in the top of the page. ये untitled notepad is here. ठीक है, so what is untitled? Untitled is a title. ठीक है, it is a title, and this file edit format, it is a, ठीक है, it is a tab. ठीक है, it is a tab. So in a website, if you visit any website, ठीक है, I am telling you, just open a browser. So just you can see here, ठीक है, the women's sarees. ठीक है, women's sarees is a title of this web page. ठीक है, women's sarees by women, it is a title of the Flipkart website, and Flipkart website का this is the page sarees, women's sarees. You can see women's sarees. ठीक है, the sub parts, ठीक है, of clothing and accessories is the folder या pages, and sarees and accessories is a सब folder, सब फाइल. ठीक है, उसकी पार्ट्स है, और उसके अंदर sarees के अंदर, ठीक है, स्लैश, ठीक है, एंड स्लैश के अंदर जस्ट वोमेन sarees is the web page. ठीक है, Flipkart is a website and women sarees is the web page, and collection of all these clothing and accessories is also web page. Sarees and accessories is also web page. Sarees is also web page. Women sarees is also web page. So all this collection of web pages is called website, flipkart.com. ठीक है, so firstly I'm going to create a web page. I'm telling you how to create a web page. So women sarees का this women sarees is the title bar. So how to create a title bar? So if you want to create a title bar, so I am going to create simple web page. So I want to show simple web page on a title. In web page I want to display only the simple title. Yeah, agriculture. So you are a BTKG student. Okay, so just I want to see only just agriculture will be displayed on the title bar. ठीक है, so title is also a container ठीक है. Head is also a container that keep the title. अगर if you want to display title, so you must write a head tag. So आपको just head is also a tag, HEAD. It is also a paired tag, so open and close. Okay. So if you want to display title, so inside a head, so going ahead, open tag, angular bracket closed, cursor will be there, and press enter button. Here you will keep title part is also paired tag, so title is here, TITLE title, and just I want to display agriculture, and ठीक है, it is the content, ठीक है. So agriculture, it is the title bar का content, it is the content of title, ठीक है. So title and just going TITLE, ठीक है. So agriculture will be displayed, ठीक है. It is the, और ठीक है, title is a tag, ठीक है, and title is a, ठीक है, head is a container that keep the title. So you have written title inside a head, and head and title all is a container, ठीक है. ठीक है, HTML is also a container that keep all the tag, ठीक है. So container के अंदर just container होता है, ठीक है, and is the rule. तो HTML is a first container और उसके अंदर all the tag, ठीक है. तो HTML के अंदर फिर head होता है, तो head only the container of, ठीक है, title tag and script also, ठीक है. Script I will discuss later, ठीक है, when we'll start script language. So I will teach you, ठीक है, how to scripting you will use and JavaScript, ठीक है. So a title is here, head is closed. So head part is finished. All head is only just keep the title and script. इसका मतलब just title and script के अलावा all the tag you will write after a closing head tag. So my closing head tag is here. So press enter. ठीक है. So head is here. Okay, now finish. After that, just write a all tag, means basic tag जो भी होते हैं, H1, track, horizontal, table, order, unorder list, all tag I will discuss you. Today I will teach you basic simple H1 tag, ठीक है, H1 tag. So H1 is a heading tag, ठीक है. Suppose you want to display any heading parts, ठीक, on your web page, so just you will write H1 tag. H1 is also a pair tag that will write after the closing head tag, ठीक है. But all the जो भी basic tag है you will write inside a body tag, BODY, body, and body is also paired tag, and HTML is a container, ठीक है, and that keep all the tags. So body is a part, ठीक है, body is a tag that is keep inside a HTML tag, ठीक है. Head is also a head, you can see head is also a tag, but it is also keep in HTML tag. Title is also tag, but is keep inside a head tag, ठीक है. So body is starting and just we will close body tag, body just finish, ठीक है. So all basic tag I will teach you. So you have to write, just going to open tag, like cursor is blink here, press enter. So all the tags जो I will teach you, H1, H2 and जितने भी whatever, that will be you will be write inside a body tag. So body tag is here. So just write H1, ठीक है. H1 is also a tag that heading parts के लिए. H1 में suppose I want to write के hello friends, ठीक है. Just write any content. It is your choice. Everything, ठीक है, whatever you will write inside a tag, ठीक है. So it will be display on the screen. So I am writing, it is my content. Hello friends. It's my first web page. It's my first web page. Okay, and just close the H1. Okay, slash forward slash angular bracket forward slash H1 and just close. So this is our head part. Okay, this is H1 is a heading parts. Okay, H1 is heading parts. After that, just I'm going to save the file. Okay, so just here file, go to save. First time just go to save as. Second time you will edit or modify, so you will click the save button. But first time you have to write save as button, and box will be appear. Okay, where do you want to save? I told you if you develop any web page, so website is a collection of web pages. So best is all the files you will keep inside a folder. So just I am going to drive local disk D is here, so I am going to D drive and just ठीक है, D drive, I have to create a folder. So new folder is here. Okay, and just I am writing you are a student of BTech AG 19 batch. So 19 BT AG. ठीक है, 19 BT AG is folder. All file I am saving in 19 BT AG. ठीक है, so 19 BT AG. Just give the file name. So file name, just suppose it is my first page or home page. So just I am giving the name HOME. ठीक है, the file name is home and the extension will be .htm or .html. So I told you. ठीक है, तो extension मैंने लिखा है .html. You can also write HTM. ठीक है, both are correct. Save as types. So save as types text.txt is there. Means your HTML. ठीक है, your HTML files, home is your file name and .html is your extension. ठीक है, so your save as type text document. If you select text documents and you save the file, it means your file will be opened by only the editor. ठीक है, only the text, because your text file and text file will always open by the editor. ठीक है, by the notepad it will be open, but I told it is a HTML page and I had to compile by the browser. My HTML file will be compiled by the browser. ठीक है, browser will compile. So that's why we will select all files. Means all the files means Adobe we can open HTML. ठीक है, by the Adobe Reader, by the Notepad, by the Word, by the ठीक है browser. But we have to open है ना, we have to compile this file by the browser. That's why we have selected all files. So after that, just go to save and save here and just minimize here. ठीक है, don't close the file because after some time we will modify है ना anything. So just modify here and just save and just go to the browser and there refresh, so it will be changed. So just wait, I'm telling you how will you be changed. So just minimize. I'm going to D drive. So here is my D drive and D drive here 19 BT AG is here. ठीक है, just you can see Internet Explorer is there by default set. ठीक है, suppose you want to open this file by the Chrome. ठीक है, so just right click. ठीक है, and just open with option is there. Many browser is there. ठीक है, you can open Opera, Internet, Google. I have installed this all browser. Safari is also. So I want to open this my file by the Google Chrome. ठीक है, so Google Chrome I have selected, so it will be open. Just wait. Because it's very less RAM, na, that's why. Yeah. So you can see. So your file, because you have not uploaded your website, है ना, you are not hosted, so D drive is here. ठीक है, 19 BT AG. ठीक है, it is a folder. ठीक है, and home.html is a page that is saved in a BTech AG folder. ठीक है, so hello friend, it's my first web page and here you can see agriculture. ठीक है, so agriculture is a title bar. ठीक है, now after that I not minimize, just go to open a notepad and just write BTech AG, BTech agriculture. ठीक है, now just go to here. Second time you have to save. ठीक है, because save as not, don't worry, so second time your file is already saved, so you have modified. So second time just Ctrl+S, save the button and just here. So only just agriculture you have modified there, so you have to refresh this page. So refresh button is there. ठीक है, reload this page, just click and you can see BTech agriculture is showing. So in the title, whatever you will write, it will be displayed on the title bar. So it is the concept of title. Now H1 is a tag that display the heading. By default, hello friend, I think it is the size is bold and the size font है ना, bold है and it is a, I think size is 14. I think 14 or 16. H1 is a set. ठीक है, and now H2 tag. ठीक है, H2. So H1 is here. So H2 is also a tag. ठीक है, H2 is also a tag and just you can write. Okay, just content will be same. ठीक है, so just I am copy this contents. ठीक है, I am going to copy this contents. I just Ctrl+C and going to here Ctrl+V and just going to the close. ठीक है, close H2. H2. So total we have we have to S6 H1 to from H1 to S6 tag. ठीक है. The difference between H1 and H2, ठीक है. If you number will be increased, ठीक है. H2 H1 and 2 is a less than 1. Sorry, 2 is a greater than 1. If your number will be increased, your size will be decreased. ठीक है. S3 H2 is a smaller than H1. If you write S3 is a smaller than H2. Now let's you will see, you will compare these two contents. Control S, ठीक है. Just go to here, file and save. So just save the file. So 2 pages is here. Just I am going to load these pages. So 2 has, so you can see both, ठीक है. H2 is a smaller than H1, ठीक है. So H1 is a larger heading, ठीक है, and H2 is a smaller than H1. So now same as S3, H4, H5, S6, ठीक है. Same as S3 is smaller than H1 and H2, ठीक है. And H4 you will use, so H4 is also heading H4 is a smaller than ठीक है H1, H2, S3, but it is a greater than, ठीक है, it is a greater than H5 and S6. So number will be increased, ठीक है. 1 2 3 4. If number will be increased, so your size will be decreased. Same as H1, H2, you can see one है number 2, you have written 2 H2. So number is increased, so your size will be decreased H2 का. So okay, now finish. Now one more thing, ठीक है. How to change a body color? It is a body and hello friend, it is your content and this is your, ठीक है, URL, not URL, ठीक है. D drive, ठीक है, where you have saved the file, D drive, and BTech Agriculture, ठीक है, it is your heading parts, and after that it is a white, you can see the white, black and ना, just black is your heading, this one, and just white is a body. So suppose you want to display, you want to change a body color. Suppose you want to display this white, है ना, you want to display red or green color, ठीक है, या purple color. Suppose you want to display this body. So don't just go to notepad and just here body is here, body, just go to Y, after Y cursor will blink, ठीक है. Just go to there and press enter, ठीक है. Sorry, press space button and just BG color. BG color is the attribute of body tag. Every tag has some attributes, ठीक है. So BG color is an attribute है, it's an attribute of body tag. So BG color you will write before close the angular bracket, ठीक है, and just after body BODY just give the space and write attributes. BG color equal to, ठीक है, just equal to in a double quotes open and double quote close. Two double quotes I have written. I go to cursor inside between the here double quotes and just we write color. Suppose I am writing purple, PURPLE, ठीक है, purple is here. Now go to here file and just go to save the file, ठीक है, Control S. After save the file, just you can see, just reload the pages. So just you can see this is the purple body color has been changed, ठीक है. So students, if you have, ठीक है, laptop, so you can practice of this one and it is recording. I have recorded. So just because size will be increased, so I'm going to stop recording, ठीक है, and I will upload on my channel and share to you link, ठीक है, after some time whenever I will be free. So I will share the link and upload the file, and after that I will share the link. So I'm going to stop writing.